This English vocabulary quiz consists of 25 questions, which will assess your competence in using the appropriate word in the given context. Are you ready? Let's get started. She forgot her umbrella during the afternoon walk. She forgot her umbrella during the rainy afternoon walk. We waited outside until the doctor called us. We waited outside the clinic until the doctor called us. He placed the remote beside the sofa. He placed the remote on the table beside the sofa. I wrote the address on before posting it. I wrote the address on the envelope before posting it. The children were quiet during the assembly today. The children were quiet during the school assembly today. She kept her money in her bag. She kept her money inside the wallet in her bag. My father reads every morning after breakfast. My father reads the newspaper every morning after breakfast. The baby is sleeping in a small near us. The baby is sleeping in a small cot near us. She used to cut the apple carefully. She used a knife to cut the apple carefully. The bag is too, so I cannot carry it. The bag is too heavy, so I cannot carry it. We sat and watched the ducks. We sat on a bench and watched the ducks. My sister keeps her books on a wooden My sister keeps her books on a wooden shelf. She drank tea from a small white She drank tea from a small white cup. The teacher wrote the answer on the The teacher wrote the answer on the board. My mother kept flowers in a glass. My mother kept flowers in a glass vase. Please sit. Me while we wait here. Please sit beside me while we wait here. We bought some because the kitchen was empty. We bought some groceries because the kitchen was empty. My little brother hid the under his bed. My little brother hid the toy under his bed. The teacher gave us a after the lesson ended. The teacher gave us a task after the lesson ended. My mother keeps important papers in a drawer. My mother keeps important papers in a locked drawer. We need to the table before dinner starts. We need to set the table before dinner starts. He looked after hearing the bad news today. He looked worried after hearing the bad news today. The shop assistant, the broken item for me. The shop assistant replaced the broken item for me. She put the milk back because it was almost. She put the milk back because it was almost expired. I put the keys on the near the sink. I put the keys on the counter near the sink. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful content. See you in our next videos.